Subscribe Prudent social media channel and press bell icon for latest notifications.
Join Cell Academy, Goa's best coaching for IIT, JEE and medical exam preparations for class 7 to 12. Register today for Cell Talent Search exam for class 6 to 12. Admissions are now open for repeaters medical batch for NEET 2022.
We have already achieved 22 megawatts of power on rooftop, and there are almost another 10 to 12 megawatts which is in the pipeline to be converted. बोड्डा आमचे मल्टीपर्पज कॉलेज जी आसा थंय गव्हर्मेंटाचे आमचे ग्रीन आर्ट घेतला. आमचे मतदारसंघात काकवाड्या ITI जी आसा ती सोलर 100% सोलर केल्ली आसा आनी दे आर हॅव्हिंग झिरो बिल. पण अशें करून आमी सगळे गव्हर्मेंट जे डे पावर यूज करता, स्पेशली इन स्कूल्स, गव्हर्मेंट स्कूल्स एंड गव्हर्मेंट इंस्टिट्यूशन वेर डे पावर इज यूज्ड. We want to make entire this over a period of next 1.5-2 years into 100% renewable sector, which will be using solar power to electrify our government buildings in a total. We have made an entire plan which we have worked. We found success in 3-4 locations, and we are now replicating this in the next plan of ours. The scheme materialized and a lot of people had paid. Some people are now asking again for one-time settlement scheme. So government is reconsidering even bringing this one-time settlement scheme again.